Now this is a really, really good buy. Very, very happy with it. Dogs took to it right away, and it's really easy to clean. I use it with disposable pee pads though. So I just used two of the very big ones. I got the big size, and oh, look who's here. She's very interested in it. And I actually just bring it in the shower, and I hose the grass off. I haven't even used my second grass yet. And I use another product that I got on Amazon that helps kill urine naturally, and I use that, bring it in the shower, spray it all off, and I'll spray that stuff on there, and bring it out here and let it air dry. She seems to approve. Yeah, but I'm super happy with this. 5 out of 5 in my book. Zena approves.